Today, 15 kilometers west of Mersin, in the district of Mezitli-Viranşehir, there stands an ancient port city, silently watching the sunrise for thousands of years. A bit sad because of the buildings surrounding it, but also very happy to embrace the blue Mediterranean Sea, this city is called Soloi Ancient Port City or Soloi Pompeipolis. Although there is not much detail about the early past of this mysterious city, the research and archaeological excavations done so far have already proved the importance of Soloi Ancient Port City. Now, if you wish, let's have a look at the history of this ancient city. Soloi is a site area founded by Dorians coming from Rhodos Island around 7th century BC. The name of the city means sun. The reason why they named it as sun is probably that they worshipped the god of sun. A short time after Dorians founded the city, it became one of the most important ports in the Mediterranean coast. Due to its importance, it passed into many civilization hands such as Persian, Macedonian, and Seleucid Empire. During these handovers, the city was damaged, especially by the Armenian Emperor Tigran the Great. After the collapse of the Seleucid Empire, the south coast of Anatolia became home to the pirates who were waiting until the lands of Rome. Disturbed by the situation, Roman Emperor Caesar decided to send Commander Pompey to today's Mersin coast to destroy the pirate hideouts. As a result of the excursion he made, the pirate hideouts were destroyed. But some of the pirates apologized to Commander Pompey, so he forgave them and declared Soloi as the city of forgiven pirates in 64 BC. He got the city restored to its former situation and gave his own name to it. After that, the city was known as Soloi Pompeipolis. However, in 528 AD, a very effective earthquake caused the city to collapse on a large scale. Though restored again after a century, when the East Mediterranean coasts were conquered by the Arabian Empire, the city fell into disuse. Though we're not able to see them today, some European travelers visiting Soloi in the 19th century mentioned about the existence of an ancient theater, a temple, a bath, and a necropolis in this ancient city. When it comes to talk about what remains to us today from the ancient city, it can be grouped under three headings. The first one is the colonnaded street. Today, in the street, there are 33 remaining columns with 4 on the western and 29 on the eastern part. The columns have Corinthian capitals with sculptured face figures on some of them. It is thought that these face figures belong to some rulers or high officials in Roman Empire. The second part of the city is the mount. The mount is approximately 22 meters high and has a diameter of 300 meters. During the excavations made in here, there were found some fragments dating back to early Iron Age and Roman times. The third and the last part is the ancient harbor. Consisting of 2 breakwaters, the outline of this ancient harbor is still visible today. Its huge dimension is enough to show us how big the city was during the Roman times. As it can be understood, Soloi Pompeipolis is a very precious ancient port city remaining to us from centuries ago. Today, it is surrounded by buildings and is on the point of disappearing. That's why excavations conducted in here is very important to get more detail about this historical place. So, if you decide to pay a visit to Mersin someday, please also drop in Soloi Pompeipolis and feel the mystery there before it completely vanishes.